Come, let us spill this already spilled juice and get into some entertainment news. Now, I know it's been a while since I posted, guys. I am so sorry. Please forgive your girl. But I am back with Indaba zakamSeleko. So, Izingane zakamSeleko is back. Izingane zesithembu. Now that they are back, I made some few videos on TikTok. Please enjoy the comments that we made on TikTok and let me know what you think. Please do not forget to like and to share and to subscribe. Here are the TikTok videos.
Bazalwani uthando nesithembu. I am happy with my girl. I am happy with my girl Usne. Usne became the big sister that we know her to be. A girl called Umpilo. Athi woza sizothi 1 2 3 4 5 sikhulume sibonisane sibone ukuthi how do we do moving on. Umpilo ke naye wathi shopha sakhe wahlala nosisi wakhe wazakala. Why shem kwaba 10 tsinyana leyo 2 minutes kwaba 10 tsinyana leyo 2 minutes ngathi Sine phuma efonini. Sine wathi thi ngisuke efonini makasuke esifonini usine wathi bengifuna si-address le ndaba yethu. Ay ngathi Sine the big sister. Guys, ngihappy ngosine. So Usne apologized to Umpilo and she sincerely said, I am sorry, nani. She also mentioned the fact yokuthi when I hurt the brothers, they always come to me and we fix it and life goes on, including Uabonge, right? So with you it's different when you never come in and then Gelingslo Umpilo wachaza ukuthi no, mina I'm such a person where I feel ukuthi mina nomuntu we cannot coexist, or a person has offended me, I stay away. So that is why most of the time when you do these things I just stay away. But it hurts me to see you and the other siblings resolving things quicker, but when it comes to me it takes long. But at the end of the day, I don't know if they were drinking milkshake or whatever it was, the bev that they were drinking. But bayalungisile, guys, and it's all because Usne. It's all because of this name, Seleku. Can we give that girl a buzz that she deserves? Because Usne is the big sister that she thinks she is. I am so happy. And I hope Oguti, even if banyatela cons maybe like on the like the last 2 episodes or on vacation or whatever, but not much. Manje I cruise it. Si enjoy Usne, guys. Maybe Usne ushinchile. What if Usne uyashincha? Because of, did you see Uguti after ulo kule episode elandelayo next week uzoya ayo qulisa kumakhumalo? I don't know ukuthi bazohamba bayiqedile nomakhumalo or kanjani, but Usne, I'm very impressed. Her apologizing kumpilo, her going to apologize kumakhumalo, that to me was just warming my heart, and I was like, yes, Sine babonisa ukuthi wena awuzibrepepe, babonisa wena awunonyani tsepedi, babonisa wena olipara, babonisa wena omaguzumela, babonisa wena you are definitely not siyacela lights. But ke uzoya kumangwabi.